Welcome to What the Fuck is in the Box, the show where we take way too long to show you everything that comes in the box. I've got today Josie with me.
Hello.
Josie, what'd you bring?
I brought an AirTV 2.
What's that?
So an AirTV 2 is an affordable home cord cutter solution.
That's fancy. That was a good pitch. You have very sparkly nails. I hope the Skycam gets those. So, overall box appearance on this. This is a retail package, which I do like when they do that. Sometimes they get away from that on these kind of items, but it's got a good breakdown of everything it does on the back. It talks about getting HD locals. It talks about being integrated with Sling if you guys have any Sling customers out there. And it's DVR ready, so you can add a hard drive, right?
Correct.
So those are all cool things. And then something I'll call out on the top that's inside the box as well is that you actually get a $25 credit for Sling TV when you purchase one of these.
That's right. And 1 month subscription costs $25, so you get a month free. If they're already a Sling TV customer, they can still apply the credit. If they're not, then they can try it out for a month.
Well, that's good. I would get in the box, but there's tape. We didn't tape it, so we got to pick at it now.
All right.
It'll be fun. But ultimately, again, retail packaging is nice on these things, but sometimes for us on the show, not nearly as fun. I don't have nails. You want to get it? You get it with your nails. I can rip it, but I don't want to rip the box because we give these away.
Yes. We want to give them away, and anybody who's tried these has really liked them. I could get the screwdriver.
The struggle is real here. I'm just going to get it.
All right.
It'll be this way. It'll be fun this way. There we go. Hey, a little bit of muscle never hurt nobody.
Ooh.
Good thing I go to the gym to open packages. That's very good. So once you get inside, we've got a good start off with $25 credit.
That's right, for the Sling TV subscription. Now, I do want to point out that you can still use this device without the Sling TV subscription. You would use the Sling TV app to watch the locals on it, and you just go to slingtv.com/airtv to register for a free Sling TV account. So you don't have to have a subscription if you don't want the streaming subscription.
And what's really cool about this device, what it really does, right? If you've got your local channels and you want to get them on off air, so a lot of the Sling providers and stuff like that, they add on locals and afterwards, and they tack on prices and everything, and it gets your bill up very high. But a lot of users want to have those locals for the local news, for the local sports, for all the things that go on. You can still grab those off with an off-air antenna. You literally plug your off-air antenna into this device, and it makes a network version of it. And it puts it over your Wi-Fi network. It puts it so you can access it remotely from your phone. So you can watch your locals on your phone, wherever you are. It's a fantastic product.
Yeah, so it's going to stream your locals through your Wi-Fi connection. And then you get 2 tuners, so you can watch on two separate devices, 2 separate TVs, and you can take one of those streams outside of the home, like you were saying. So if you want to have one, maybe, back home, you want to have one in Georgia, you want to watch Georgia sports while you're here, or if you have one in Florida when you travel, you want to watch the local news, you can do that.
What's that?
This is a refer a friend credit. So if you're a Sling TV subscriber and you refer somebody else, you're going to get a credit off of your next bill.
Install manual, right?
Correct.
That one I know. I knew that one ahead of time. I cheated. And this is the actual AirTV, huh?
Right.
Another bag.
It should be easy to open.
It should be. They all should be. Nobody left. There you go. It's a nice looking piece.
It is. So you'll notice the box says AirTV 2, so it is a 2nd generation. It's actually sleeker and a vertical design. This is meant to be placed wherever you get optimal OTA signal. So if that's your attic, if that's a closet, wherever that is, this does not connect to the TV. It actually connects to an over-the-air antenna. You also are going to need power, and you're going to need a Wi-Fi connection. So you just place this wherever that antenna gets the best signal. You only need 1 antenna for this whole home device.
We talked about DVR earlier, so it does have a USB on the back, so you can plug a DVR into it, which is really nice. So if you want to record off-air locals, you can do that. If you are near your router or modem, you can actually hardwire into it as well, right? So
correct.
That's a really cool setup and feature on it. It does have a WPS button, so if you want to have an easy install, you can click that on your router, click it on here, and they'll sync to each other. But a really nice, sleek piece, a lot smaller than I thought it would be.
Yeah. Yeah, so the DVR, you can do up to 2 terabytes hard drive. You can also use the cloud DVR in the Sling TV app.
This is a power cable. I'm not going to open it. You guys have to trust me that that's a power cable. So give them one sales pitch, Josie. Why do they want this?
All right, so it's an affordable home solution for your cord cutters. It does have enhanced Wi-Fi, which makes it better for streaming your locals across larger homes to be able to get your signal over to TVs that might be further away from the device. It's going to be a great cost. It pairs really well with streaming devices such as the AirTV Mini. You can also use it with Roku's Fire Sticks, Android, Apple. So it works with a bunch of different devices that most people already have or they can get from us.
Yeah, it's a really cool way to add off-air locals into pretty much any of your streaming solutions. So really cool piece. Don't forget we are giving this away.
Correct.
So if you want to like or comment, we appreciate that. That's how you enter yourself into, is by adding a comment with your dealer name and number. That's the biggest thing. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We like subscribers. We need subscribers. We need you to live and survive. But thank you guys for joining us. Josie, anything else before we go?
Oh, you can pause, rewind, and fast forward your locals with this as well. So you can't do that with just being plugged into a regular over-the-air antenna without this.
Always selling. Thank you guys. We'll see you next time.
All right.